Are you a Unity dev that wants to make a game with characters like My Sims, Sushi Ben, Me, Slime Rancher, Toka Life, Wind Waker, Roblox, Peak, Lego, or even Pokemon? One of the hallmark features these games have is that they use 3D characters with 2D faces. Of course, you could learn how to do this. Shout out to Lacruzo and Southern Shoddy on YouTube, but following tutorials can be distracting and lead down a Blender rabbit hole. You don't have time for that? You've got a game to make. Ogar's Basic Models is a Unity asset with a few cool features for rapid character deployment. First, the asset comes with 2 mid-poly models, each with a simple skeleton. What's unique about these models, though, is the underlaying clothing system with 24 material segments. You can create outfits for your characters in minutes and color swaps in seconds right inside of Unity. T-shirts, tank tops, pants, shorts, short shorts, long sleeves, underwear, gloves, crop tops, belts, and more can all be rendered with a few clicks. But the real star of the show is the 2D face animation system. Ogar's Basic Models uses sprite animation via a tree of scriptable objects that reference a 5x5 sprite grid. What's great is the scriptable objects allow faces and their animations to be modular, meaning you can mix together static and animated features. A template is also included so you can create your own face features. In addition, more than one grid or even a larger grid can be used with a little effort. Ultimately, the system uses coroutines to cycle through face features, resulting in animations. This system can provide a workflow that allows quick prototyping and implementation for static faces and face animation. To learn more, check out the tutorial videos for Ogar's Basic Models. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment. If you're interested in a VR creature collector RPG, check out the Data Monsters devlogs. And if you just want to support a solo dev, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.